Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the chart background color on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart. And as you can see, we have here a black background color. So to change it, right click on it, click on settings, and make sure you go to Canva. If you find yourself on symbol, click on canvas. We have here background, as you can see. We have here solid. Click on black and you can choose any color you want. So let's choose, for example, white. As you can see, our color is white. We have here gradient. You can also change it if you want. You can choose two colors. So I will choose, for example, white and black, as you can see, or white and yellow. Okay, I think that you get the idea. And that's it. After that, just click on OK. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.